Hey Gen Xers, welcome back. Welcome back. Thank you so much. If you're new to the channel, I have been telling you that I'm going to start talking cryptocurrency in the current events, entertainment, vlogging, blogging updates that I do here on the channel. I hope you like all the shorts that were put up on the channel over the weekend. I appreciate you guys for supporting those and for the numbers going up on those. Also, and then, like I said, on occasion, we're going to talk crypto. On the last one, Gen X, I was telling you about learning cryptocurrency and applications that you could use to get started on cryptocurrency. But listen to this, loves. I told you something about holding and that hashtag on holding. And I want to make sure before we get too deep into the talk, I want to make sure that I correct you on that because it is holding and I had it right, but I was all over the place with the letters. Go back and listen to that blooper. But here is what it is hashtag HODL. And this is why it's significant and what it means. It's a term that was derived because somebody did what I did and they were misspelling it all over the place. In the context of buying and holding Bitcoin is what it's for, and other cryptocurrency. What is holding? Bitcoin Talk Online, we say that holding is an acronym for holding on for dear life, meaning that you need to make sure that you are not in a rush to spend increase that you get when you start purchasing and trading, buying, selling, trading cryptocurrency. You're going to see those numbers go up. You're going to look at that like free dollar signs, and you really want to play the holding game so that you can see where it's going, right? So when you take a look at just XRP, which we're going to talk a lot about today. If you take a look at XRP within the last hour, XRP is up, although we did have a moment when XRP was down and Bitcoin was up within the last hour. Ethereum was up, Near was up. You have the H bar was up, Doge even went up a little bit, Pepe went up, Solana is up. So you do, and then Luminar also went up, also, right? So you do want to keep a look at what's going on hour by hour, but then also you may see this volatile cryptocurrency market, you may see it move a little bit, right? So you see tomorrow Bitcoin is going down, and Bitcoin was at one point almost at what 105 106,000, maybe more than that, and it got as low as 99,000 today. So you're going to see tomorrow Bitcoin is predicted to go down, but XRP is going to continue to go up. When I say hold and looking at these numbers going up and down, and you see everything that's going on, the reason why you want to hold is because there's going to be more, right? So you don't want to get into that, complete fear and greed mode where you're buying and taking it out and trying to cash it out as fast as you can. This is really not that kind of thing because you're going to see more the longer that you hold on to your coins. So a particular hold, right? Um, XRP, like Bitcoin has mined like only so many coins, right? And they only have 2 billion of those coins left. And another example is XRP. XRP has 48 billion XRP as for me looking this up just a few minutes ago. So Microsoft Bing predicts has on here that XRP has 48 billion left, right? So they created 100 billion XRP. Somehow they had some coins that were burned during the mining process. So they only had 99.9 billion XRP out there. So there's only a 50% of XRP left. So we're getting closer and closer. We're not at the Bitcoin level. Like Bitcoin, out of all the billion of Bitcoin that was made, there's only 2 billion of Bitcoin left. But we have seen in a minute, we're going to see why there's a decrease happening with XRP, I mean, with Bitcoin, XRP, and just cryptocurrency as a whole, right? But you want to hold on your cryptocurrency because, like you see here, like right now, you see XRP is up by just 8.8%, but in a month, it's predicted at being up by 40%. So you want to hold and see like. If I have like so many, an example, 25, 30 XRP coins, well, what is that going to be worth when the price of it goes up, which is what that 40.2% prediction is. In a year's time, it's going to be up by 496%. So you could take basically, let's do like I guess some math on it. I hope I have that math right. So that's like, I don't know, just look, let's just start with like 100 times. So it's like worth 307 around the last time I looked at it. Times 100, it could get up to like $307. And again, we can see Bitcoin, we can see coins go up as high as, look at Ethereum. Ethereum is worth right now $3,176, right? And then you have Bitcoin right now, and it's worth $102,000, right? So your XRP right now, you looking at it at the time. I remember when Bitcoin was this low. So you're looking at a time when it's $3.06. But go ahead and think hard on, if you hold on to those coins and you don't trade them out, you don't sell them. Look at XRP getting to those kind of numbers right there, to 102,000, right? So that's why the hold game is so important. Again, it's hold on for dear life. Hashtag HODL, join the community, all across X or different social media apps. Based on these principles, the best time to hold is always and forever, but not typically forever. XRP, you're looking at possibly having really nice growth and getting you set for retirement, where you could possibly come off of your 9 to 5. You're looking at 2029. Those are some of the predictions. 2034. Those are some of the predictions. That's not that far away. And if you eat right and exercise and do all the right things to your body, you're going to see that time frame come around, right? So you can definitely hold on that coin. Again, you're supposed to be doing your own research, so don't forget that I told you guys to do your research. I was looking at an article earlier, and it says this, that people were asking, why is XRP sinking today? So again, for my Gen Xers that are new like me, XRP had this moment where it was low, and in about 24 hours time, they're predicting Bitcoin to be at a negative 0.6%, and XRP is like 1.5%, really not that low. Not seeing too many, maybe in a week's time, negative 2.3%. Then XRP is going to jump up huge within 30 days to 0.40%. And again, that 495% that I was telling you guys about in a year's time. But what's going on? So China has some competition in the AI game. Okay. When you look at the history of Ripple with XRP, you look at the history of Solano and all these different cryptocurrencies, they're actual companies, and they all hold a position in different parts of the financial and business world, right? XRP is one of those that's kind of in that kind of category, right? So they say it's falling in Monday's trading. The cryptocurrency share price was down 6.9% over the last 24 hours. As of today, at the same point in the day trading, that Bitcoin and Ethereum went down also at a 5.1 and 7.7, right? So it says this is the reason. And I heard about this app. I'm definitely going to give it a try because I've tried Chat GPT, the app they're going to tell you about in just a minute. I've tried Chat GPT, but there is a point that you can only get so far on the app. You can only utilize so much of that AI. It's not even as good as Copilot. I can do more things on Copilot in a free version than I can do on Chat GPT. Well, here's why this new Chinese app is causing an upset and isn't impacting cryptocurrency. XRP and other crypto are seeing sell-offs in today's trading due to a combination of bearish catalysts. It says, in addition to concerns about the new artificial intelligence, there it goes, the AI model launched by a Chinese company. They don't mention it in this part right here, but it says in this MSN article, this model, I read about it on one of the stock market had an article up. Cash App stock market had an article up, and they're talking about this DeepSeek AI. Like, it just showed up out of nowhere, and it's competitive in the fact that it's available. It's doing all the things that Chat GPT and Copilot can do, but it's a 100% free. That's major competition, and advertising that they're going to be 100% free forever. So that's a major competition for the AI market, from Apple to Meta to Chat GPT to Copilot. That's major competition. So China didn't come to play at all. I mean, we're looking at a lot of places where China's not coming to play, buying up a bunch of farmland across the United States. They just started this infrastructure where they're doing this route that's going to go from China. And instead of going around on the Gulf of America, can't call it the other anymore, right? So this route that they usually take around the Gulf of America, this China's taking this new route that's going straight through Mexico, and did a deal with Mexico to be able to do this. So that infrastructure is going to hurt a lot of businesses, and that's in the category of people. We're not there yet. We're going to be having those conversations when our XRP hit in a few months and Sundays, and we'll be talking, and sitting at those business tables. Okay, Gen X. So this model launched by a Chinese company, it says the crypto market is also seeing sell-offs due to fears that the Federal Reserve will not lower interest rates in the near future. So those are some of the things that's causing XRP. And let's go about take a look at what's happening on today and some of the other coins where they said, oh wow, there was a moment when they were low. Okay. So I like when you hit it and then it can, and different ones can come up. Let's see what's going to happen within the next minute. It's going back up. So be careful about your fear. Don't be pulling your coins and getting rid of your coins too quick. Because again, if you take a look at what's going to happen in the next few hours, look at how things can move around, right? So you see XRP pretty much is holding on strong. So you do want to hold on for dear life. Hashtag HODL. You want to hold on to your crypto until you see it's that moment. Choose your money. It's your crypto. You do with it as you see fit. That's the whole point of creating a crypto culture and recognizing crypto as being a very important currency in the United States, is having the freedom to do with your money as you please. But you do want to have a retirement plan in place, right? You have an administration that says that they want to get rid of Social Security. So is Social Security still your it? You want to have different things like buying REITs. If you're not familiar with the conversation of REITs, then you need to get familiar with it. Do your research on REITs. You need to get some money in your REITs. You need to get some money in cryptocurrency. You need to get some money in stock, and knowing which stock to get your money in so that you can build your own retirement plan just in case those kind of agencies do go away, right? I don't really think it's going to impact us, but there is going to be a switch that the administration is working on that's probably going to impact those that are still in high school and haven't yet graduated from college, where this is the way that they will come up with their savings. Life insurance, knowing the art of putting back money for retirement, and life insurance that will give you more than enough to retire on, in addition to pulling out and living off of when it comes to that point, right? Gen X talk. That's why this is titled for the Gen X's, okay? So that's all that I have on here. Again, everything I tell you, you're supposed to be doing your own research. But look at XRP showing out, and I'm always so proud of it. It has a prediction of going as high as, you want to look at those marks right there. I learned about that, and it says $3.32 here, but on my Coinbase it actually says $3.48. So hold on for dear life. Thanks for stopping by. Yep, hit that subscribe button. I would appreciate it so much. Make sure you turn on notifications so you can know what I'm going to talk about next in the world of current events and blogging and talking what D says. I hope you always come back to check out what I have to say next.